Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Christian County, Northern Stone County, Greene County, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Walnut Grove to near Republic to near Crane, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Leetza, Ozark, Republic, Battlefield, Willard, Rogersville, Stratford, Clever, Sparta, Crane, Fair Grove, Billings, Hylettville, Fremont Hills, Brookline, Curly, Glidewell, Turners, Dark. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 63 and 91. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Christian, Greene, and Stone.